Hello students. Today we are discuss about the class 12 political science topic. The topic is main features of Indian Constitution. Main features of Indian Constitution. This topic connected to the part number B in your book. Today we are discuss about the main features of Indian Constitution. So first of all, we are discuss about the what is the Constitution. What is the Constitution? The basic laws or rules of a country. The basic laws or rules of a country is called to constitution. Clear? Now we are discuss about the what is the main features of Indian constitution. These are main features of Indian constitution. These are main features of Indian constitution. Number one is democratic. Yes, Indian constitution emphasizes on democracy. Democratic means power of peoples, for the peoples, by the peoples, to the peoples. So basically, democratic countries emphasize on the public sovereignty, power of public. Clear? It is first feature of Indian constitution. Second is republic. What is the meaning of republic? Elected president. Indian president is the elected president. Elected president. So, Indian Indian democracy is called to Republic of India. Number two features. Number third, fundamental rights. Indian constitution given the some fundamental rights to its civilians for the right for the basic requirement. What is the basic requirement? Health, food, shelters. These are the basic requirement. So these fundamental rights complete the basic requirement for the civilians, and these basic fundamental rights connected to the article number 12 to 35, and they are six. Clear? Next is directive principles. Directive principles advise to the government for welfare state. These are emphasized on the advice to the government for welfare state, and these are connected to the article number 36 to 51. Next is parliamentary system. Parliamentary system. Indian constitution adopt the parliamentary system. What is the meaning of parliamentary system? Supremacy of parliament, and prime minister is the actual head of the country, and president is the nominal head of the country. Clear? It is called to parliamentary system. Clear? Sixth point is fundamental rights. Point number 6 is fundamental rights. Fundamental duties. Sorry, fundamental duties. What is the meaning of fundamental duties? Fundamental duties basically connected to the duties of civilians. For the example, you obey your national anthem, you obey your law, you obey your, you respect your flag, national flag. So these are the fundamental duties. Recently, 11 fundamental duties in Indian Constitution. 11. Next is written constitution. Yes, Indian Constitution is the written constitution. Recently, it is the largest written constitution in all over the world. Recently, 395 article consist in Indian Constitution. So these are the 7 features of Indian Constitution. Number 8 feature is rule of law. Rule of law. The meaning of rule of law is that each and every person, civilian, equal to equal, and they all obey the law and legal system of India. This rule of law basically emphasizes on the equality, justice, and rights. This rule of law basically emphasizes on the equality and justice and right. Point number 9, liberal judiciary system. Indian judiciary system, Supreme Court, High Court, Session Court, District Court, these courts basically liberal. Clear? And they are just emphasize on the liberal work without any pressure. Okay, students. So these are the main features of Indian Constitution. What is the meaning of Constitution? The basic laws or rules of country is called to constitution. Okay student, thank you.